Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to install and set up the PowerWash project from scratch. First, clone the project from GitHub by running this command. This creates a local copy of the repository. However, since we already have a local copy, we don't need to clone the project again. Once that's done, go into the project folder. This will navigate to the folder where the project is stored. Next, install the required Python packages using requirements.txt. This will download and install all the necessary dependencies. If you're using a virtual environment, be sure to activate it first. And we will be including requirements.txt in our GitHub repo. Now you should be ready to run the project. For Django projects, use this will start the local development server. You can access it by opening your browser and going to the following link. And that's it. We have successfully installed and ran the PowerWash project. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.